Okay. All right. Moving to the next question, that is charismatic leaders, meaning of charisma, qualities, and then we have certain types of charismatic leaders. Now, when it comes to qualities, again, I'm not going to read the entire answer. There's no point, but we will discuss them. Okay. So, यहाँ पे, Sarika, can you start reading from here? I tell you till how much you have to read. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, start.
Yes, yes, you can.
In leadership, charisma is a special quality of leader whose purpose, powers, and extraordinary determination differentiate them from others. Charisma is a Greek word meaning divinely inspired gift. It is a form of interpersonal attraction that inspires support and acceptance. Max Weber, a sociologist, was the first scholar to discuss charismatic leadership. He defined charisma as a certain quality of an individual personality by virtue of which he or she is set apart from ordinary people and treated as endowed with supernatural, superhuman, or at least specifically exceptional powers or qualities.
Okay, yeah. Okay, till here, let us first understand. As someone who is a sociologist, Max Weber, according to him, okay, charisma is something which is, creating a vibes. Okay, when somebody is present in and around, he or she creates a vibes. Okay, and these people are not an ordinary one. They have certain, they're endowed with supernatural. Okay, something which is मे बी फिक्शनल भी लगे आपको शायद से, लेकिन ये लोग सुपर ह्यूमन की तरह उनका पर्सनालिटी लगता है. आई डोंट नो इफ यू हैव एवर कम अक्रॉस सच टाइप ऑफ पीपल. आई हैव डेफिनेटली कम अक्रॉस सो मेनी ऑफ देम, जिनकी प्रेजेंस से मेरे को ऐसा लगता है क्या पर्सोना है इनका. इनका थिंकिंग कितना डिफरेंट है, इनका थॉट प्रोसेस कितना डिफरेंट है. ओके. And I adore such kind of people who are, having very unconventional way of thinking. What is conventional way of thinking? हम सब जब एक ही तरीके से सोचते हैं ना, that is conventional. Okay, it's outdated, expected kind of things. Okay, unconventional is different. Unconventional means someone who is able to think out of the box. Okay, so charismatic leaders are also like that. They are extraordinary. Okay, they are different from other people, and their presence has got some, charisma, some magic, which kind of, makes the environment very positive and very energetic. मैं few examples आपको देती हूँ. आपके स्कूल में भी ऐसे होता होगा जब अलग अलग पीरियड्स होते हैं, पीरियड 1, पीरियड 2, पीरियड 3. आई थिंक स्कूल, आप जब कॉलेज में आते हो तो यू हैव 3 or 4 lectures or 5 lectures. स्कूल में यू रिमेम्बर देयर आर 8 to 9 periods, है ना. And it
Yes.
starts with, हाँ, it starts with value
Yes,
education
ma'am.
period, very first period. फिर उसके बाद में आपका इंग्लिश का लेक्चर सब्जेक्ट होगा, फिर मैथमेटिक्स का होगा, ज्योग्राफी, हिस्ट्री, लाइक दैट. नाउ इन दैट केस स्टूडेंट्स, 100% आपको सारे 9 पीरियड सेम नहीं लगता होगा. कोई तो एक आध पीरियड ऐसा होगा जहाँ पे ना टीचर का प्रेजेंस आपको बहुत वाइब्रेटिंग लग रहा है. ओके, टीचर बहुत एनर्जेटिक लग रहे हैं, उनके प्रेजेंस से क्लास में एक अलग सा एटमॉस्फेयर क्रिएट हो रहा है. ओके, so this is because that particular subject teacher is having certain, charisma in her, certain magic in her presence. Okay, maybe she or he is a very good leader. Okay, so when we talk about charisma, it is all about, having certain divine, superficial power. Again, it is supernatural and superhuman power. सबके अंदर ये क्वालिटीज नहीं होता, वेरी रेयर. वेरी 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 रेयर. I think for people to become charismatic leaders, you need to be, someone with great sense of understanding. Okay, someone who is having qualities of, bringing energy into the room when you are there. Okay, instead of reading the entire introductory paragraph, let us move on to the characteristics or qualities of charismatic leaders. उसके पहले ना यहाँ पे देखो की qualities लिखा हुआ है. की यानी कि important qualities that every charismatic leaders should possess are Okay, Sarita, from here till here.
Okay. They have a vision. Charismatic leader has a vision, experience expressed has an ideal goal that purpose a better future than a statue and is a status and is able to clarify the importance of the vision in terms that are understandable to others. They are willing to take personal risk. Charismatic leader are willing to take on high personal risk, incur high cost and engage in sacrifice to achieve the vision. To achieve the vision, they are sensitive to follower needs.
Okay, I'm so sorry. The screen has stopped. I don't know why. There is some technical issue. I'll just share again. I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, that is the session got over where I was logged in. Just give me a moment. I'll again start. Meanwhile, I'll just explain you again. Okay, मैं ना screen share stop करती हूँ because I have to share a क्या बोलते हैं password and login ID. एक second दीजिए आप. Guys, just 1 minute. Huh?
Okay, ma'am.
Meanwhile, you tell me how were your other papers? बाकी papers अच्छे गए?
Yes.
Any difficulty anywhere?
No, ma'am.
Okay, great. अच्छा, for few students who've been asking for notes and all, जितना हो सका है maximum PDFs and what do you say, images of the answers been shared on the Google Classroom, but it's a bit impossible for us also, I particularly me, to share every answer on Google Classroom. So in that case, if you wish to buy a textbook, you can refer Shade publication. Okay, as I am referring to Shade publication for MNL and RNS. Okay, for strategic management, you can buy मनन प्रकाश. मनन प्रकाशन का ये टेक्स्ट बुक्स नहीं है इलेक्टिव सब्जेक्ट्स का, इसलिए वो मैं आपको नहीं बता पाई. अदरवाइज मनन प्रकाशन ही रेफर करने बोलती. So for your elective subjects, okay, you can refer to Shade publication, and for your strategic management, you can refer to Manan Prakashan. Okay, I have logged in and I'm able to open this. I'm so sorry guys, ये ना इसका कुछ session timing है, उतने timing तक ही ये visible रहेगा and then it gets logged out. Okay, I'll start with the key qualities of charismatic leaders. Already few has been read out by Sarita. Sarita, चारों read कर लिए क्या आपने?
No, ma'am. 3.
Okay, just read out the last one and then I proceed.
They exhibit under unconventional behavior. Charismatic leader exhibit behaviors that are perceived as novel.
Okay, so let us begin with the key qualities. Key qualities means important qualities of a charismatic leader. They are someone who are having vision. Okay, I think and for them, okay, vision is something very, very, very important. Okay, and they try to project that vision to others in an understandable manner. Okay, so that people accept the vision. I think I can give you this with one best example. I think mathematics के teachers जब आपको mathematics सिखाते हैं, okay, आप लोगों ने अभी तक अलग अलग मैथमेटिक्स टीचर्स से मैथ्स सीखा होगा. कोई टीचर होंगे जो ना सबको बहुत डिफिकल्ट बता देते हैं, लेकिन कोई टीचर होते हैं जो ना बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट सबको बहुत ही सिंप्लीफाइड कर देते हैं. हुआ है, आपने एक्सपीरियंस किया है ऐसे?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
This is
ma'am.
because
Yes,
they
ma'am.
make it understandable to the receiver. ओके, जो ये मैसेज रिसीव कर रहा है उनके लिए वो अंडरस्टैंडेबल मैनर से करते हैं. आई रिमेम्बर वन ऑफ द मैथमेटिक्स टीचर दैट आई हैड ड्यूरिंग माय स्कूल डेज. तो मेरे स्कूल के जो टीचर थे ना, शी यूज्ड टू रन विथ हर सिलेबस. ओके, तो मुझे कैसे ना लेट समझ में आता था, स्पेशली मैथमेटिक्स सब्जेक्ट. आई यूज्ड टू टेक टाइम, ओके, टू अंडरस्टैंड स्टेप बाय स्टेप. तो बाकी क्लास में काफी स्टूडेंट्स थे जिन लोग रट्टा मार लेते थे स्टेप्स को, और मुझसे वो होता नहीं था बिकॉज आई ऑलवेज लुक फॉर लॉजिक्स. एंड देन मैंने स्पेशल ट्यूशंस, आई डोंट थिंक सो इट इज करेक्ट टू टेल दिस, लेकिन मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मुझे स्पेशल ट्यूशंस लगाया था फॉर लर्निंग मैथमेटिक्स. एंड जो मेरे को मेरे ट्यूटोरियल के टीचर ने मैथमेटिक्स सिखाया था, ही मेड इट वेरी सिंपल. ओके, लाइक डी ग्रुप के सम्स होते थे ना, ग्रुप ए बी सी डी, मुझे डी ग्रुप वाले सम्स भी बहुत इजी लगने लगा एंड आई टू एंजॉय सॉल्विंग इट. ओके, बिकॉज इट वाज मेड अंडरस्टैंडेबल टू. Okay, when you are running an organization, you need to understand that your vision cannot be only your vision. You have to share it with people because everyone is collectively going to work and achieve that. So उनके लिए understandable manner में लाना is the major task. I think that is possessed by the charismatic leaders. They are able to, transfer the vision to others in the most understandable manner. They always are willing to assume risk, okay, even the personal risk on that note. Okay, this is what is the second key quality. And they try to, sacrifice certain things to achieve their vision, because as I said you earlier, for them vision really matters, and they are ready to compromise their personal equations. And then point number 3 is stating that they try to achieve that vision that are sensitive to followers need. Okay, मतलब ऐसा हो सकता है कि आपकी कंपनी के बहुत सारे ऑब्जेक्टिव्स होंगे and certain objectives are very difficult to achieve. Okay, लेकिन charismatic leaders try करते हैं कि they target those objectives. Okay, and lastly they are very unconventional, as I said you before also, very 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 unconventional. वो लोग नॉर्मल लोगों की तरह सोचते ही नहीं है, एक्सपेक्टेड जो होगा ना वो वैसा नहीं करेंगे. Okay, they try to do something which is extraordinary, unexceptional चीजें try करते हैं, and this makes them more powerful, and I think their presence brings more energy into the company. ऐसे ना एम्प्लॉयज के पास में ऐसे कोई लीडर होगा ना जो कि बहुत पॉजिटिव हो, जो कि बहुत बहुत एनर्जेटिक हो, जो कि एक माहौल में एक अलग सा वाइब्स क्रिएट करे. आई थिंक एम्प्लॉयज वुड हैप्पीली वुड वांट टू वर्क. Okay. I remember when I was working in one of the company, there was one, manager, very strict in nature. Okay, extremely strict, and पता नहीं क्यों वो ना deliberately शायद ऐसा करते होंगे लोगों को डराने के लिए कि सब में से डरना चाहिए kind of. But I remember जब वो होते थे ना, तब एक अलग सी एनर्जी होती थी फ्लोर पे. Okay, all are working and all are trying to bring something creative. Okay, I think one of the best example of charismatic leader, someone whose presence itself will bring a lot of energy. I think इस टर्म को आप जनरल लाइफ में भी यूज कर सकते हो. फैमिली में कोई एक दो जन होते हैं ना जो जिनके प्रेजेंस से एक परिवार में एक अलग सा माहौल बना रहता है ना. जैसे फिर उनके नहीं होने से वो कहीं बाहर गए हैं या हॉलिडे पे गए हैं या फिर समथिंग लाइक दैट, तो घर में एक सूनापन सा रहता है. तो दिस इज one beautiful example of people who are having charisma quality, whose presence is having a lot of bites and energy. Okay, so okay, moving on to the characteristics of charismatic leader, that means the qualities of charismatic leaders. Okay, these are few qualities. Again, I am not going to read them. Let me just explain you without reading. The first one is self-confidence. I'm talking about, your presence should bring energy and vibes. So definitely आपके अंदर self-confidence होना बहुत जरूरी है if you are a charismatic leader. Okay. अगर आपके अंदर confidence रहेगा, you will be able to encourage others. Second thing is maturity. You are thinking unconventional and different from others is very nice, but you need to show something called maturity. Here it is given that, for example, a small business learns from the difficult first few months and years and gets stronger, okay, which will allow them to survive the competition. Okay, so you need to have that sort of maturity कि आप हालांकि अनकन्वेंशनल सोच रहे हो लेकिन आप matured behave करना है. Third one is inspirational. I think if you are a charismatic leader, you need to be very inspirational. Your optimism and passion, okay, should be visible to people and people should take inspiration from you. Definitely effective communication skills, because a great leader requires great communication skills. Here it does not have to do anything with the fluency and all that. In fact, charismatic leaders try to use understandable language, okay, local language, regional language mein baat karo, no problem. Okay, it has to do nothing with English as a language. Okay, so communication here means a charismatic leader should be able to transfer his ideas. Creative, because already we stated that these people have superficial powers and they are superhuman, so definitely they should come out with creativity. Taking risk, of course, a good charismatic leader will always assume risk, okay, because रिस्क लेना ही एक बिजनेस का सबसे बड़ा आप बोल सकते हो रूल बुक. ये यू हैव टू टेक रिस्क, ओके. या तो आप डिसीजन लोगे या तो नहीं लोगे. जब डिसीजन ले रहे हो तो आपको मालूम होगा कि इस डिसीजन का या तो पॉजिटिव आउटकम है या तो नेगेटिव आउटकम है. लेकिन डिसीजन नहीं ही लोगे तो उसका आउटकम नेगेटिव ही है. करेक्ट ना स्टूडेंट्स? यू आइदर टेक डिसीजन और यू डोंट टेक डिसीजन. एंड इफ यू टेक डिसीजन देयर विल बी सम काइंड ऑफ रिस्क इन्वॉल्व. आउटकम उसका या तो पॉजिटिव होगा या तो नेगेटिव होगा, ओके. लेकिन डिसीजन नहीं लोगे तो उसका आउटकम नेगेटिव ही होने वाला है ना. यस और नो? सो charismatic leaders, they try to take risk. Humility, because I think as long as you are a leader you need to be human, because that's how people learn from you. Okay, being a or quality of human यानी क्या? You need to understand that other person is also human being. Okay, तो अपने आप को उनके जगह पे रखो और देखो कि उनके सिचुएशन में उन्होंने क्यों ऐसे किया. तो and then you will understand. So being human is extremely important. And lastly, substance, which means you simply cannot be good in your charm and your persuasive skills and your presence. आपको actions में भी दिखाना होगा वो चीज. Okay, so this is one thing, that you should be action oriented. You simply cannot be just big talks and no result. There are so many people with big talks. Okay, if you're a charismatic leader you have to show results. So these were few qualities of charismatic leaders. मैं आपको ना ये चैप्टर का PDF नोट्स दे देती हूँ. ओके, since I'm not reading the answers, okay, you can at least have a look at the notes. Any difficulty till here, students? ऐसा कुछ जो आपको नहीं समझ में आया?
No, ma'am.
Sure, easy
No,
to
ma'am.
understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right.
Yes.
Okay, so I think I'll start with RNS. Okay, RNS में हमारा syllabus थोड़ा सा पीछे है, and we got to be a little quick now. So I'm ending this session. I'm sending you another link. अभी मैं start करूँगी ना RNS, तो ये बीच में 5 मिनट 10 मिनट बाद रुक जाएगा. So instead of that, I'll
Okay,
send you the I'm sending the link immediately. So be there. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
All right.